Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something real quick. Are you actually using your Amazon FireStick to its full potential, or are you just sticking to the same few apps every day? Most people don't realize how flexible this device really is. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to expand what your FireStick can do by adding an alternative app library. This makes it much easier to discover useful streaming and entertainment apps, all in one place. The process is simple, beginner-friendly, and works on most FireStick models, so even if you're new to this, you'll be able to follow along easily. If you're new here, welcome, and if you enjoy FireStick tips, tutorials, and setup guides like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. In this guide, I'll be explaining everything step by step and at a comfortable pace. You don't need any technical knowledge, and you can pause the video at any time to follow along. By the end of this video, your FireStick will be set up in a way that makes app discovery much easier and more organized. To begin, we need to install one basic tool that allows us to download files safely through the FireStick. From your FireStick home screen, move to the search icon at the top and type in Downloader. You don't need to type the full word. Once it appears in the list, select it. Look for the app with the orange icon and install it. This app is available directly from the Amazon App Store, so it's completely safe to download. Once it finishes installing, don't open it yet. Simply press the Home button and return to the main screen. Next, we need to enable one important setting on the FireStick. Head over to Settings, then open My Fire TV. If you already see developer options, you're good to go. If not, don't worry. This only takes a few seconds. Open About, highlight your FireStick name, and press the Select button on your remote 7 times. You'll see a message confirming that developer options have been unlocked. Go back one step, open Developer Options, turn ADB debugging on, then open Install Unknown Apps and enable Downloader. This allows Downloader to install apps properly. Now we're ready to use the Downloader app. Open Downloader, accept any permission prompts, and click into the address bar. Carefully type the website shown on the screen. Take your time here. Accuracy matters, and you can pause the video if needed. Once the page loads, scroll down and select the Download button. The file will begin downloading automatically. When the download finishes, click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Then select Done. After that, delete the installation file to keep your FireStick storage clean and organized. Before opening the app, there's one final setting to check. Go back to Settings. Open My Fire TV, then Developer Options, and select Install Unknown Apps. You'll now see the newly installed app in the list. Select it and turn it on. This step is important to ensure the app runs correctly. Once that's done, press the Home button to return to the main screen. Now go to Your Apps and Channels. Scroll all the way to the bottom and open the new app you just installed. When prompted to add a library, press the Select button twice. Enter the library code shown on the screen and click Next. After a moment, the library will load, giving you access to a wide range of apps, neatly organized in one place. This makes finding and installing useful apps much faster compared to browsing individually. This setup doesn't change how your FireStick works. It simply gives you another way to discover and manage apps. As always, it's important to use apps responsibly and follow the rules and content guidelines in your country or region. This guide is for educational purposes and is meant to help you get more value out of your device in a safe and organized way. And that's it. You're all set. You've now expanded your FireStick with an alternative app library that makes everything easier to access and manage. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more FireStick tutorials. If you have any questions or need help with setup, drop a comment below. I read them all and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.